Well, oh boy. Well, what was gonna be a simple, yeah, bridge saddle swap has turned into a major ordeal. Where's the So yeah, you know, and go for this little look. Hold on, just a moment. Yeah. Well, anyway, so ran into a little problem here. So I was going to change out the string trees. Where am I? And this is what we've got. Offset. Um, sorry, string. I'm thinking of string trees. Bridge saddles. Offset bridge saddles, and that means that affects the base plate of the bridge as well. So, and that changes up the whole dynamic. So I thought, well, it's a little bit of sacrilege, but I've got this Telecaster Deluxe bridge I had laying around and never used. It was new, and I thought I would, and it fits. Well, no, it doesn't fit. The holes for the string through the body fit, but I have to re-drill. I got to drill into the body, and but added feature is we have the possibility to do string through the bridge or body in this case. So, just a word of caution for anybody who wants to change out the bridge saddles. Sometimes it's not easy. But if you're using what you have on hand anyway. But so well, I'm sure the fender guys are going to be like shitting their pants when they see this. But well, you got to do what you got to do. But anyway, while I got you over here, let's go down here. So. Oh, look at this. Man, I think that would be a vast cosmetic improvement at the minimum. We're over that. So anyway, and I don't know about this nut. I got a couple to choose from here. Bone, Graphtec Black. I don't know. But anyway, I'm sure y'all getting tired of seeing this guitar, but oh well. More to come. Have a good one. Peace.